NFL Sunday Ticket family sharing. You can share NFL Sunday Ticket with 5 other members of your household at no extra cost. You need to create a Google family group, and I'll show you how to do it. First, you sign into your Google account and then you go to g.co/yourfamily. Here, you click Get Started, Create Family Group, Confirm. You type the email addresses or names of the family members you want to invite to your group. And that's how you create family group on Google. You can also add family members later to your family group. You can do that by going to the same address, g.co/yourfamily. And here you can press Send Invitations. And you type the name or email address of the members you want to invite to your family group. After you've created this family group, you will become the family manager. And any subscriptions you have will be accessible to family members through their own accounts. So if you have NFL Sunday Ticket, now your family members will be able to access it in their own accounts. Note that your library or watch history will not be shared with your family group. I hope this video was helpful to you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!